Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dryer button support in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a number 2 square drive bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Use the number 2 square drive bit or the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 screws securing the dryer's lower access panel. Pull the panel up to remove. Next, unthread the 2 mounting screws securing the control panel. Pull the panel down to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clip and set the panel on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 mounting screws, securing the dryer's user interface board. Pull off the selector knob. You can now pull the retaining tabs back to release the user interface board. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pull back the tabs to release the old button support, if still intact. When installing the new button support, first confirm all of the buttons are in place, then align the new support and snap it into position. Realign the user interface board and snap it into place. Rethread the 4 screws to secure. Replace the selector knob. Secure the wires in the retaining clip, then reposition the control panel. Replace the mounting screws. Realign the access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.